Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 字 step by step. I will write it in regular script, then following one word and two sentences. Let's get started. 字 means self, from, since. For example, 来自 来自 means to come from a place. Check the following sentence. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? 你来自哪里？你来自哪里 ？Where do you come from? However, we rarely use 你来自哪里 Instead, we say 你是哪里人？你是哪里人？你是哪里人 ？Where do you come from? 你是哪里人 ？Now, let's write 字 in cursive. 来自自 self, from, since 来自 to come from a place. Where do you come from? 你来自哪里？你是哪里人？字 Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 字. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.